Hi guys, this is Han. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are working on invitations. I browsed through so many websites on Google to find this invitation template that I really like. This is a passport one that is accordion style, and it's just very easy, straightforward invitation that you just simply input your pictures and your sayings, and we found this on Shutterfly. The invitations were very well packaged. We were so happy with the outcome, and do make sure you try to find a promo code. For example, this one that I just searched on Retail Mina for 25% off your whole purchase. We did it passport style because we're going to Punta Cana. So the invitations, it comes out, okay, I blocked it off already. So the front looks like this. This is the front accordion side. And then the back looks like this. I blocked out my phone number. It looks like that. And the way we're going to assemble it is that I'm going to add this insert that we did to show the kind of tentative itinerary of the wedding weekend. And we're going to add it to the invitation. And then we're going to take the envelope that I came in. I blocked off the to address and the back address, put on a stamp on the envelope, and we're going to pop it in and then seal it with a pretty heart sticker. There we go. Done, and we have all these rests to do. I would like to give a huge shout out to Erin of Boston and Boston Tam Cam for creating these beautiful autumn photos for us. This is our first installment of our 4-season engagement photo series, and we are so happy with them. We did this in a state park called Moore State Park in Paxton, Massachusetts, and we can't get any happier. Thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe and like this video if you'd like to see more of our wedding series journey. And as always, stay inspired.